Welcome. If you want to personalize notifications in your Wiko HardReset, at the first you have to go for the settings. Then you have to scroll down and click on the notifications. Right now you can click for any app on the list. For example, we can go for contacts. And for example, we can turn off all notifications from this application. And also we can just show silently. So notification going to pops on your screen, but it is not going to make any sound or vibrate. And that's how we can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.